of the best things about fountain pens? The ability to use a huge variety of inks. But to get the most out of it, you need to know how to choose and fill ink and properly care for the pen. Start with the right ink. Always use water-based fountain pen safe formulas. Inks not labeled for fountain pens, like some drawing inks, can corrode your pen or clog it with heavy particles and resins. Most modern fountain pens have compatible ink cartridges. Installing a cartridge is straightforward. Press the correct end into the opening of the grip and reassemble the body. Looking for more ink colors? Use a converter. The refillable ink reservoir draws in ink from a bottle and installs just like a cartridge. When switching colors, flush with cool, never hot water. The converter is great for this. Push water through repeatedly until it runs clear, then refill. At least monthly, do a deep cleaning. Disassemble the pen and soak the nib in cool water. A drop of dish soap can gently break down dry ink. Avoid harsh cleaners unless they're pen safe. If you use a fountain pen cleaning kit, check to make sure it's compatible with your pen. To protect your ink collection, store bottles away from direct light. Keeping them in their original boxes works well and makes a great display on your desk. And always avoid returning excess ink to the bottle. Keep a separate inkwell or ink pot for leftovers and reserve it for dip pens.